Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 211 of Trading Talk. In this episode, our senior trader Matt continues on from a recent build where he developed the foundations of a market volatility hedging model. Building with a process is key, and this episode ensures you're following the correct steps to take your idea in the right direction. Now, process is something that we're really big on here at TradeView, and in my experience, most of the traders that come to us either don't have a process at all or they're following the wrong roadmap. Now, imagine if you get in your car, lockdown's over, and you want to drive from Melbourne to Queensland for a holiday, but you're following a roadmap to Tasmania. Now, sure, you might feel like you're on the right track because you're following a process, but the hard truth is it's the wrong process and you're not going to end up where you want to go. Let's face it, the reason you're on this site right now watching this video is because you want to have more success with your trading. You've probably tried already, but you don't know how to find it. Let us help you by showing you how we do it here on our trading desk. Let us give you a roadmap that takes you in the right direction. So if you're not a client already, give us a call or send us an email in the details below in the description and be like some of our more successful clients who've attended our programs, they've come to our conferences, or they've competed in our trading championships and demonstrated some real results. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.